Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another session with me, your teacher, Miss Gail. Today is going to be a fun ride, and I want you to enjoy yourself as we learn something new. Sit back, relax, and remember to put on those thinking caps. Let's go. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. We are going to be seeing a mother of two making lemonade for her children. So first, mother is going to pour half liter of water in her jug. She needs 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. There we go. 1 and 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to see what mommy is going to do. What do you think mommy is going to do? She has to stir. So mother is taking her time to stir all the ingredients together to make her jug of lemonade. Here you go, boys and girls. We have our jug of lemonade. Would you like some of mother's lemonade? Okay, boys and girls, there we have it. We just saw mother making lemonade for her children. But what exactly did you see mother making? Yes, she had to carefully measure all her ingredients to put them into her lemonade. Very good, boys and girls. But did you know that there were persons back in the days that had no measuring tools? What do you think they did when they didn't have any measuring tools? Yes, they use their hands, they use their feet, and they use other things to help them. Those are called non-standard way of measuring. But God inspired men, and they created measuring tools that are standard. Everywhere we go, whether in Kingston, whether in Mandeville, anywhere we go, we know that wherever we use these measuring tools, they will be the same. Now today we're going to be looking at measuring liquid. And when we talk about liquid, boys and girls, we talk about anything that takes the shape of its container that it's sitting in. And so, whenever a container holds all that it can, this is called capacity. Okay, boys and girls, at this time we're going to be doing something very interesting. So you're going to turn your eyes to what I have here on the table, and we're going to see which of these containers hold the most. So I'm going to pour half liter of water in my measuring cup, and we're going to see which of these containers holds the most. Because we want to see which of these containers capacity is larger. And I'm going to take it to this one to the left. And I'm going to take it to this one right on the other side of the container in the middle. Did you guess right, children? We are going to see which of them holds the most. Here we go. So now we see, boys and girls, that even though the containers might seem similar, we see that they are very much different. Because if we look to this one, we see it's almost full. We look to this one, we see it's almost there at the big top of the container. And when we look here on this container in the middle, we see that we would need more. So the capacity of this container here in the middle is much more bigger or larger or more than the ones here to the ends. Great observation, boys and girls. I spy something, boys and girls. Guess what? It's in your house. I spy some things that are small and they hold liquid. I also spy things that are big and they also hold liquid. Can you go and find some of them for me? Did you guess some of those? Very, very good, boys and girls. Now I want you to look at those labels on the bottles. And I want you to see very carefully what is written on those bottles. Look to the bottom of those labels. What do you see? On the small ones, what is it that you see? ML. Very good, boys and girls. And ML stands for a specific unit of measurement. Now that unit of measurement is called milliliter. Wherever we see ML, that simply means milliliter. Now let's look at the bigger bottles. What is there that is written on those bottles? Look very closely. What do you see? What do you see? L. Very good. Now L, what does that stand for? Can you tell me? I heard you. Well, it stands for liter. Very good. So we see, boys and girls, that milliliter and liter are two units of measurement that we use to measure liquid. Okay, boys and girls, now I have another activity for you to do. I have a container here that holds 10 milliliters. And we want to find out how many milliliters would it take to fill the container that we have here. Let's go. So here we have our first pour of water in our 10 milliliter container. So here we have 10 milliliters. Oh, boys and girls, let's see if 50 will get to the top. 250. So that, boys and girls, was 260, and after 260, 10 milliliters more, that gives us 270. Oh yes, boys and girls, we're almost there. Come on, we can do this. 280. Oh, wipe those, bro. I see the sweat coming down. Let's go, let's go. 290. Oh, brother, boys and girls, should we take a pause? 480. 10 more milliliters. 490, boys and girls. I tell you, we are almost there. Don't quit now. We are almost there, boys and girls. Let's go, let's go. This is it now. This is it. I feel it. 500, boys and girls. There we have it, boys and girls. Now we see that 500 milliliters is the capacity of this container that we have here. Well, we're going to go to the other container and we're going to see if this container holds the same amount in liters. Do you think we're going to need another half liter of liquid to fill this container? What's your guess? Would we need 500? Boys and girls, we fill the container with half liter of liquid. There we have it, boys and girls. Now we see that 500 milliliter is the same as half of a liter. Mathematics is fun and I'm sure you had a great time. Well, guess what? You're going to take a break for now and I will catch you back another time. Enjoy yourself. And remember, mathematics is fun. Bye-bye.